Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon to all the dignitaries, especially the chief guest of the day, Sayyid Nasir Hussain Shah, and Zuhair, Badr Expo Solutions CEO, Naveed Saab, IEEE President, Zubair Motiwala, I can so see, sir, Assalamu alaikum. Let me just, introduce you to the academic part of IEEE fair. And it was like a very different beginning for us because Zuhair wanted something new. And probably that is why Dawood University was picked as I was heading it. So we came up with the idea and we name it as a step because there is always a first step towards a long journey. So this is a step 24, sir, that you're going to, inshallah, inaugurate in a while. Why a step? This is a smart tech exhibition projects. So smart tech is something which is actually all around the air, all around the globe. And we had 8 themes in our mind to display that is actually executed here, which is related to climate change and resilience, smart tech for IR 4.0 in corporate sector, smart tech for agriculture, and smart tech for energy and environment, smart tech for healthcare. So everywhere this is a smart tech because I don't isolate AI as a separate subject. It is inclusive of everything and then finally make an application. So you would see like a different plan, exhibition plan also. It's a different ambience that you look and it's a actually tour that you will take because what we assume that we start from industrial pavilion, which is IR 4.0 and corporate sector. We have merged it with the textile because we have a smart tech for textile also. So what we are actually trying to depict here in the very next arena is like we have industries, then we have solid waste. If we don't manage it properly, then it will actually hurt the climate and it changes the climate and it actually hurt the health and then healthcare system come into the play and this is the whole route. So we have to understand the whole cycle in which we are living and we call it ecosystem. So we have tried to depict a little ecosystem there and you would see vehicles standing because we have smart tech for vehicles also. You would see e-tanga, you would see solar rickshaw, hybrid bikes which are indigenously made. As President IEEE says that we need some products made in Pakistan, not made and assembled in Pakistan rather. So we had 3 themes also for the participants which were like innovative idea, improvised or reversed engineered. Because Pakistan is at the stage where we can't go just for innovation because innovation takes approximately 5 to 6 times to be marketed. However, we can help our knowledge-based economy through reverse engineers project also. So that was the idea which we have actually invited the universities for. And we had 272 entries from all across the Pakistan. And let me tell you that out of 35 universities, only 23 are from Karachi and rest are from like different parts of the country like Sarhad University, Mian Nawaz Sharif University, Multan, Sawabi University, Balochistan University, Khuzar, and UMT Lahore, Nawab Shah, Quest. So we have like a pan-Pakistan show here. And I would urge industry owners because you would see some colored cotton product, which is the ultimate product with your thread and everything. So please see the products and if you find them worth including into your trajectory, please do that because this will be the first beginning for these children. And these are not just university students, some are graduated also and some are having footprints already in the market. So they can be commercialized very easily with your support. So with this, I will end up because step 24 is yet to begin and the showstopper is Noor Pakistan. Noor Pakistan is the usher bot that inshallah we, the STEP team, shall give you on display on your floors in Ideas 2024. But inshallah today you will interact with her on screen. So looking forward, sir, for your presence at STEP Arena and unveiling of Noor Pakistan. Thank you so much.